This is the Chimes shopping centre in Uxbridge. Now to our first lift in Waterstones. This appears to be generic. The flashing slows down when the lift is levelling. This lift's leaking, it just went up a little bit. This lift is leaking. The Brittanic lift company, that's the same company that make the one in Wandsworth, W.H. Smith. And now to the lift in Boots. Come on, level. This lift is UK lift, so it looks like it might have originally been a different lift, maybe Otis, and was modernised. Now to an early Otis 2000 hydraulic. Now to the next lift, which appears to be an Otis 2000 hydraulic, although that looks older. Otis 2000 hydraulic. The lift in next is this stupid lift. The lower mile button is flashing because they want you to push it. This stupid Oakland hydraulic. Oakland are Otis's company that make really cheap hydraulic lifts, and they're absolutely terrible. And this is BHS, who have of course gone bankrupt. The lift here is a first generation Ecodisc.
Ground floor.
This first generation Ecodisc. If it calls one ground floor, then what does it call this?
Lower ground floor.
And now to Debenhams, which has two early Otis 2000s and an early Otis 2000 hydraulic. Now into this lift, which is one of those slow Otis lifts. This is a Otis 2000 hydraulic. Actually not a hydraulic, but it isn't very good, it's rather slow. Only went one floor. And now to this lift, another Otis 2000, finally here. Upper shop. This does not make sense. Let's try 2. See what's on 2. Otis 2000H. Levels terribly. Up on this cone escalator in the atrium. This is the lift in next, which is Stannah. This is Stannah, of course. Now let's go up. I saw a sign somewhere that said this was the food court. There's a cinema and the food court with one restaurant. The rest of the restaurants are on different floors. These main lifts are some...
You on 6? Oh, I think I'm 4.
These main lifts are some Otis 2000s. This lift is going up. Telling them not to be idiots. This camera was designed for the American power grid, which is why it's a bit flicky. This is the motor room of the lift in Debenhams. For some reason, this lift has an American chime. Oh, sorry. Let's go to lower ground. Actually, one, because it says restaurants.